The idea of perfection was the inspiration behind the 3D digital design exhibition, DEBACLE. The creative process normally involves uncertainty, problem solving, and revision. However, what happens when things really go wrong? Most of us have found ourselves at the point where we feel that moving forward is impossible, that we have so much doubt about ourselves that there's no way for us to complete the task that we face. A debacle is a sudden and ignominious failure. Sometimes the only way to fight that feeling of impending failure is to let go of the idea of perfection. So we want to celebrate all the incredible learning experiences and the successes that come out of these messes that happen during the creative process. We celebrate having the courage to push through during times of self-doubt.